Want to design your own block styles? No problem. You can create the styles yourself by clicking on your block and selecting Custom Block Style. Before you do this, however, would recommend checking out our block style templates. Here, you'll find over 50 styles that we've designed. Using block style templates is by far the easiest way to make your blocks really pop out off the page on your website. If you'd like to create your own, however, it's easy. You can create background colors, default fonts, images, and style your borders. You'll only likely use the background, border, and spacing tabs, however. We'll start with the background tab. This is handy if you've got a color or a background image you'd like to have as the background on your block. If you'd like to pick a color, just click on the color picker, click OK, and then update. You can also have a background image. It's not advisable that you do this, as it can be a bit fiddly ensuring that the background image is the correct size, but if you'd like to, add it here. If you like the look you've created, you can save your effect as preset, so you can easily use it on other blocks. If you'd like to create your own custom block style, borders are pretty handy. The important thing about the border is that if you'd like one, you need to both select a style and enter a border width. The style has to be something other than none, otherwise nothing will show up. You've got a range of border styles to choose from. Just pick something and experiment and see how it looks. Next, put your width. This width box is in pixels. 1 is a hairline border, and it just goes from there. Remember, you must select a style as well as a border width for your border to show up. The direction is where you choose your border to show around your entire block, just to the left side, right side, on top, and so on. And of course, the color picker is where you select the color of your border. Your first tab is your Fonts tab. We recommend staying away from this tab as it can make things a little complicated, but if you'd like to, you can adjust the defaults, colors, alignment, and even line spacing. Depending on the block, this usually overwrites the default style of the block that you're editing. Generally speaking, from a design perspective, you want to leave your fonts alone. Too many fonts or variations can create a really messy looking website, but if you know what you're doing, make your adjustments here. Of course, you can add margins or padding to your blocks. Imagine that your block has a border around its edges. The margin is the space before the border. The padding is the space after the border, inside the block. Basically, these boxes are in pixel dimensions. If you'd like to get custom with your spacing, the best way forward is to put some number in here and see what works. It's pretty simple really. If you need more space, just put a bigger number. If you need less, put a smaller one.